Good morning students, welcome again. In the previous video we have read that how the poet means Pablo Neruda invites the people all over to come together and suspend their activities till he counts to 12. He wants us all to keep quiet and do nothing. Nothing means no physical activity should be there. It would be a rare moment, means that we have read that it will be an exotic moment and exciting moment in the history of mankind, means which no one has ever experienced. That kind of moment it will be, and that moment will be of that type in which nature as well as human beings both will find time to recover. Okay, means both will be able to recover from their wounds. As in the third paragraph the poet has said that fishermen will not be able to harm the whales, and the man who is collecting salt will be able to look towards his wounds. So let us move towards the fourth paragraph. Those who prepare green walls means those people who are indulged in wars of many kind, means wars against humanity or environment, means the people who are destroying the nature, they too are doing war with the nature. Okay, then wars of all kind, green wars means war related to nature. War with gas means the use of chemicals and poisonous gases by which we are harming the nature as well as the human beings also. War with fire means the war that will bring death to everyone. Okay, green wars related to nature, and the wars which are related to the chemicals, use of chemicals and poisonous gases. And war with fire means the destruction. Okay, victory with no survivors. Okay, here poet wants to focus towards that these all wars are of that kind which will leave no one to celebrate the victory, means everything will be destructed. Okay, means total destruction will be there and no one will be there to enjoy this victory. Okay, would put on clean clothes. Now the poet is saying that he just want that everyone should, when everyone will do the self introspection, then they all will wear the clean clothes and they will shed their clothes and which are stained with blood and blood of humanity. Okay, they will be able to wear new clothes and walk with their brothers building. Okay, means they will be able to put on the clean clothes, they will shed their stained clothes, means stained clothes which are with the blood of humanity, and they will walk with their brothers, means when they will introspect and they will change their uh, ill things, then what will happen, they will be able to walk with, they will consider everyone present on this earth as their brothers and sisters, so they will be able to walk with them together in the shade doing nothing. And what they will do, they all will remain peaceful, they will all will live peacefully with in a manner of brotherhood and harmony on this planet. Okay, so without doing anything means without harming others. What I want should not be confused. Now here poet wants to clarify that here what I want should not be confused, means the readers, means we should not get confused that the poet is saying that with total inactivity, means that we all should not do anything, we all should remain lie just like a dead person. But that poet doesn't want, he want that we all should stop doing the physical work, but we all should we all should keep on doing the thinking or self-analysis, self-introspection should go on. Okay, therefore he has said that life is what it is about. Means life, when we stop doing our physical work and when we keep on thinking, when we analyzing ourselves, that proves that we are alive. And when we stop doing everything, when physical and mental activities get stopped, it means it is the symbol of death. So therefore the poet has clarified that it should not be confused with the total inactivity, means with the death. Okay, so life is what it is about, means we should do something, we should introspect ourselves. I want no truck with death. Okay, the poet wants that no truck must be there with death, means no accident, road accidents must be there. Okay, now if we were not so single-minded, means when no person will be selfish, no one will think about only themselves, when they will begin to think about others also as and consider others as their brothers, then the earth will be, then what will happen about keeping our lives moving, means when we not think about the facilities of ourselves, then what will happen, of threatening ourselves with death. So when everyone will become selfish, then what will happen, then others will not think about ourselves, about us, then what will happen, then then our life too will be in a threat. We too are not safe on this planet, means others will become our enemy. Okay, so perhaps the earth can teach us. So here the poet is saying that we should not be self-centered and selfish. We should learn from the earth, as earth is also giving a lesson, as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. So poet is giving the example of earth, means we all should learn from the earth that when there is a apparent stillness in the seed when we sow it, but later on what happened, a fruit bearing tree is born out of that seed. Okay, so such seeds lie dead inside the earth, but some sort of activity is going on inside the earth, and therefore that plant grows on outside the earth. Okay, now I will count up to 12. Finally, the poet thinks that he has said what he intended. Means he had conveyed all the message that he wanted to convey. Now, he has advised us that we all should keep on doing self-introspection. Therefore he said that you keep quiet, you just remain silent and do the self-introspection, and I will go means I will go somewhere else to give the same message. Okay, then only he will leave, when everyone will begin to do the self introspection, then he will move somewhere else to convey his message, that the importance of self introspection is that everyone will begin to correct his own mistake, consider his own mistakes. Okay, so this is all the poem. In the next video we will be discussing the poetic devices used in the poem and the extra questions. Thank you.